read it a lot.
Oh, you studied Chinese in Cambodia or in China?
In Cambodia.
Oh, that's cool.
Thank you. You're still a student or working?
I'm studying Chinese medicine.
Oh, so you're a doctor.
Maybe I will be a doctor.
Ah, sounds good, sounds good.
Not too bad. Just so.
I think that if you're studying the medicine like that, so your English will be good, right?
No, Chinese medicine don't need too much English.
Oh.
Actually, we seldom use English. Yeah.
Because in my country, people that study doctors or about the medicine, they're really good at English because they need to read the English every day after medicine.
Yeah, because
they're good at English and French.
Yeah, absolutely. The situation is different in China because we have like Western medicine and Chinese medicine.
I see.
Yeah, Chinese medicine don't need to learn too much English, like that.
Oh, I heard that Chinese medicine also have something that's sweet, right?
Sorry, sleep?
About the medicine, have some medicines in Chinese are sweet, right?
Sorry, I didn't get
Sweet. 甜. Sweet.
Maybe you can write it.
No.
Get.
Wait. I'm write down it for you. This one.
Oh, sweet.
Yep.
Sweet?
It have an art. It has an art.
It's like some medicine. Some medicine is sweet, but the most of medicine is like
bitter.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, because I talking to my friend like all the medicine is bitter, and they said that in China have some medicine is sweet.
Yeah, we have several medicines sweet. Yeah, like that.
Oh, sounds good.
But it's like just as a Chinese sign goes, bitter medicine will help your health, and sweet medicine will, hurt you. Yeah.
Which means if the medicine is sweet, it's slowly to heal. Like this.
It's like that. It's like maybe like.
Oh, I see. I think that the sweet medicine is just for the children or the kids.
No, for all people, for other people. It's like different, it's like different medicine. Sweet medicine can be used for other people, and bitter medicine, the same, depending on illness.
Oh, I wish I can get the sweet medicine right now.
Yeah, depending on what illness you have got. So how about you? Will you go to China or travel to China?
Where?
China.
Wait. I know that you're talking about China, but I just want you to talk again, like, because I can't catch you. Say a little bit. Say some few minutes ago. Can you say again, please?
You studied Chinese, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so will you travel to China or work in China?
Oh, I just study Chinese because I want to study in China.
Oh, you want to study in China?
Yes.
That's good.
Oh, you're in China and where do you live?
Jiangsu province.
Jiangsu.
Province. Nanjing city. Yeah.
Oh,
But actually, I'm now in my hometown, Suqian.
your hometown is Fujian?
Yeah, Suqian.
You moved to Nanjing to study, right?
No, not move. Just my university is in Nanjing. So
Oh, wait, I didn't ask you. How old are you?
I'm 23.
Ah, the same.
So it's like, I mean, what's your favorite sports? Or I mean,
I like
the most famous sports in Cambodia.
the famous sports in Cambodia is maybe football, but I don't like football.
You don't like football,
Yes.
so
I like tennis.
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 Yeah. Oh, I get you. Tennis.
Yep. Like the most popular sport in Cambodia, the first is football, and the second is basketball and volleyball.
Oh, volleyball.
Yeah, but all of them I don't like. I like maybe basketball. I like, but yep. And the most sport that I love is tennis.
Hi, Jason. Welcome back.
What about you?
It's like actually maybe table tennis because table tennis is many good sportsmen.
Table tennis, 乒乓球.
Yeah, table tennis. 对，乒乓球。是的。
I never played before. I don't know.
Sorry?
I never played before, so I don't know about that.
Yeah, maybe 乒乓球 is not table tennis is not good for. I mean, it's not a